Hello and welcome to digital classes on YouTube channel of Lalbagh Girls Inter College. I'm Mrs. Paul and this lecture of mine is for the students of class 12. Children, I hope you have enjoyed in your summer break. You've taken enough of rest, but you are a board class and I think it is time for us to get started. We have to get back to the studies. So you all know that we are doing a lesson, A Secret of Health, Success and Power by James Allen. So in this lesson, The Secret of Health, Success and Power, we are talking about certain aspects of life following which we can achieve success, we can be healthy, we can be happy, we can be content, and having achieved all those things, one can be powerful. The author is giving us certain key points following which we can definitely achieve power, be successful and be very happy and healthy. So in this paragraph, the author says, by the power of faith, every enduring work is accomplished. By the power of faith. Faith in the Supreme. What kind of faith then? Faith in the Supreme. Faith in the overruling law. Faith in your work and in your power to accomplish that work. Here is the rock upon which you must build if you would achieve, if you would stand and not fall. Now he is saying that if you have faith, the question is, you may ask me a question, ma'am, what kind of faith is he talking about? What does he mean by faith? Here he means that you should have faith in the supreme power, faith in God, that he created this universe and there is a rule that is implemented on all living individuals and we have to abide those rules. We have to abide by them, we have to follow them, and we have to understand, you have to understand the power of this faith. Faith in the overruling law, faith in your work and in your power to accomplish it. That means he is also telling us that you should know to yourself that you have the power to do a work and then you can accomplish it successfully. Here is the rock upon which you must build and you will stand and not fall. The author says that with the help of power of faith, every impossible work can be done. It can be achieved. By faith, the author means faith in God, faith in law that rules all the universe, faith in the work, and faith in the power to complete the work. We should build our building of thoughts upon the rock of faith in order to achieve, stand and not to fall. Thus, the writer advises the reader to attain firm faith because he considers it as the talisman of bringing health, success and power. What is the meaning of the word talisman? It means the magical charm. That thing, if you just implement in your life, it would quickly bring some magic and would give you health, success and power. So what would be the first key point to it, or what would be the first thing that you would understand here? He is talking about faith. In the next paragraph, the author says, if you will become possessed of this faith, if you have the power, because in the beginning, the first line says, if you have sterling faith. He's talking about that particular faith. If you will become possessed of this faith, you will not be troubled about what your future success or failure would be, and success will come. You will not need to become anxious about results, but will work joyfully and peacefully, knowing that the right thoughts and right efforts will inevitably means definitely bring about right results. He's saying if you work peacefully, if you work in a calm state of mind, if you are happy from inside, try to keep yourself positive, definitely you will work in the right direction. And when you are working in the right direction, if you are putting in the right efforts, nobody can stop you from being successful. The author here says that with the help of firm faith, success is easy and sure. There will be no question of failure in future with the help of firm faith. Success will come sure because we shall work with joy and peace, with complete knowledge. Due to right thoughts and right efforts, the result will also be right and correct. Thus, we do not have to be worried about our results. So this is what the power of faith is. I hope this is going to be helpful for you all. And what you will do, you all know, you will make notes on this particular video, and you will post your answers to me on the WhatsApp group. I will very soon meet you all in my next lecture. Up till then, goodbye children.